You've asked, and we've delivered. ESAB's brand new AC/DC TIG Welder is finally here. The Revenge ET230 IP AC/DC is a compact, high-performance TIG welder built for precision welding across aluminium, stainless steel, and carbon steel jobs. At just 19 kilos, it's easy to move around the workshop, and with multiple lift points, portability is not going to be an issue. Don't let its size fool you though. This machine is loaded with advanced features. You get an intuitive 5-inch color display with a streamlined graphical interface, TIG AC and DC pulsing up to 200 Hz, and thanks to its built-in PFC circuit, you'll get a stable arc even with extra long input cables up to 100 meters. This unit also supports customizable AC and DC waveforms, meaning that you can fine-tune your settings for precise control over heat input and your weld pool, regardless of whether you're working with ultra-thin plate or something a bit more substantial. And torch memory functionality gives you easy access to recently saved jobs right from the torch trigger. Built with a robust IP23S housing, this welder is designed to withstand tough conditions. It's also modular, with tool-less connections to accessories like the new Cool Mini 3 water cooler or the optional trolleys. The air-cooled package includes the power source, a 3-meter work lead, an 8-meter ESAB 26F TIG torch, a 4-meter gas hose, and a dual flow meter regulator. Step up to the water cool package and you'll also get the Cool Mini 3 cooling unit and the Exior TIG 21 FXR water cool torch. So if you're looking for a reliable, portable, and feature-packed TIG welder with more juice, then this has everything you need. Available right now at your nearest TIG Welder ESAB distributor.